Okay, let's do another pack opening. This will be, I guess you could call it a mystery Pokemon pack from eBay. It's not a mystery to me because I know what I got. But, let's see what I got. Oh, that is cool. That is real cool. Some vintage characters. Check that out. Vintage Nidoking. Vintage Seal. That one's Tommy. What was this one? Also Tommy. Minnesota, Florida. That's cool. Pretty decent condition too. There's a few spots. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Like a little dirt. Should be able to clean them up. Cool. Thanks for watching.